Students, in this session we are going to learn basic Linux files and directory commands. Some of the most widely used commands we are going to learn right now. So if you want to create a file in a Linux, in several ways you can create. So first of all, I can use the nano command. This command is easy to create any file. So if I want to create names.txt, I want to create a text file. So this is the nano editor. It will run from the command prompt itself. Now I want to type some names, Rajani, Raju, Vasu, something. So this is the information I typed in this nano editor. So if I want to save this, I simply hold the control key and click on yes. So it will saved. So it will showing wrote 4 lines. If I want to exit from the nano, again I need to come back to the terminal. So hold the control key and press X. So I can exit back from the nano command. If you want to see the content on the screen itself, the cat is a command. So cat command is used to display any text file information. So names.txt, I am given the file name. Simply it will display the file on the screen. So I am checking the files available in the system ls. So many files are available. If I want to open file1.c, so I can open by using cat file1.c. So it will display information on the screen itself. It will display information in the screen itself. If I want to edit or view in this, then I can use nano file1.c. So nano file1.c. So it will open the file and we can see the total file information. So if you want to exit, control X. So clear is a command. It is used to clear the screen. Clear the screen. If you want to save file1.c, if I want to like more is a command. In Linux it is also just works like a cat. But if the more lines are available, then so it will give an option to scroll down. More file1.c. So the screen of lines is shown, totally is shown nearly up to 96%. Then if I enter the remaining lines, it will show. So less is also another command. It is also displays the information on the screen. Less file name like file1.c. So it is also like this. We can press automatically. It will show the information up and down. But if you want to quit from this, by using up and down arrow, I am moving file up and down. But if you want to quit from this, simply type Q, then only you can quit from the less command. These 3 commands are displays. One is cat, is displays the information on the screen itself. So at the same time, more, it is also displays information on the screen. Less, it is also displays information on the screen. So less is displaying the information, even it contains 3 lines also, it is opened, and if you want to quit from this, you need to press the Q from the keyboard. So this is the difference between these 3 commands. If I want to clear, so I can clear it. So if I want to copy the file from one location to another location, I can use the cp command. Cp is a command copy. So first of all, I am checking what are the directories available. So actually I have documents directory is there, music is there, so public directory, pictures directory is there. So I want to copy states.txt to pictures directory. So first I need to open pictures directory. If I want to move to the pictures directory, So change directory, cd is the command, cd is the command. So I am change directory, cd is nothing but change directory. So I entered into the pictures directory, ls. So I am seeing the list of files. Here there is no file named with states2.txt. So I want to copy states2.txt file to this location. So I want to come back to the previous directory, cd space dot 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 is nothing but previous directory, change directory to previous directory. So here the states2.txt file is available. This is the file states2.txt. I want to copy this file to pictures. So for this I am using cp command, copy. Cp is nothing but copy. Cp source file name states2.txt is the source file. I want to copy to target directory pictures. So I want to copy this. So simply I need to press enter. Now the file is copied. So now I can check cd change directory to pictures. So and ls. Now the states.2 file is also available in pictures directory. And if I want to come back, cd space dot dot. So here also ls, here also states2.txt is available. Means copy command, copy the source file to the target directory in both the locations. Duplicate file only copies. Original file will be there and duplicate is also there. Copy, replication. So if I want to move the file, for example, I want to move the file states.txt. So means I don't want in the source location, I want to transfer it to the target location. So I want to move the states.txt to the pictures directory. In the same way, I can use mv command. Mv is nothing but move, and states.txt is the source file. I want to copy this file to pictures. So now this file is moved. If I check here ls, there is no file states.txt. This file is moved from this location to, so I will check in pictures directory, change directory. So I am changed it to the pictures directory, ls list of files. So here the file is there. So this is the move command. mv is used for move. So I want to come back, cd dot dot. So I want to clear the screen, clear is the command to clear the screen. And next simple command is pwd. So the pwd is nothing but present working directory. So on which directory you are there. So it is called home directory. So home directory is nothing but this tiled symbol represents home directory. So if you are in cd pictures, so ls, you are right now in the pictures directory. Even though if you want to move to the home directory, you can use cd tiled symbol, the tiled symbol, then you can come back to the home directory. So cd tiled symbol, the tiled symbol represents home directory. Every user in the Linux have one directory, so it is called home directory. Home is a common for all users. Each user have its own directory in home directory. For example, if I want to move to the /home and if I want to go to the pictures directory, the pictures directory will be here. So actual path of pictures directory is root, / is the root directory, / is the root directory, home is common for all users, and this is my users directory, and in the users directory I have the pictures directory. So if I want to come back to the home directory, so here you can type pwd, it will show the complete path in the home directory, and username and pictures is the directory. It is the complete path. If I want to come back to the home directory, I can use cd tiled symbol. I will come back to the home directory. Now I type pwd, it will show /home and username. So like this, the present working directory is nothing but it will show the actual path of the every directory. I am clearing the screen. The next simple command is history. So history is a command. It is used to display all the practiced all the commands you executed from the command line. So all the commands is saved here. What are the commands up to now I worked? It will show everything. So history. To clear. The next simple command is date. So date is a command. It is used to simply display the current day, date, time and everything. So this is used to know the date and time in Linux system. It is only command date and time, both it is showing. The time is not a separate command. So date is a command, time is a command is there, it is used for different purposes. So date is the only command to view the date and time itself. And another command is cal. So calendar is a command, it is used to display the calendar. If I want to see 2002 calendar, simply I need to type cal 2002, it will show the total 12 months calendar. Cal 2002, it will show the total 12 months calendar. So in some systems, so the cal command is not available on that time, you need to type this sudo apt-get install ncal. This is the apt-get installer to install the calendar command. So when I enter this, it will ask the root password. So I need to enter into the root password. So then it is already installed in my system, that's why it is showing 0 upgraded and 0 newly installed or 0 to remove. So not upgraded. If it is not available in your system, it will install automatically. It will collect the information from the Linux repositories from the internet and downloads and installs automatically. So apt-get is a command to install or update, upgrade anything in the Linux. So cal command can also use like this. You can give like 2022, so it will display the match, and cal you can use -1, so it will display the current month, and cal you can use like May 1982, so it will display the May month. So you can use like this, any month you can first 3 letters of the month, and you can use the year 2059 I want to see, I can see the 59th November month of 2059 also. It is complete calendar command, it is very useful. If you want to know the help for any command in the Linux, the man is the command. Man is nothing but help, and you can use man cal. So it will give help information, means complete information like notes about the cal. So it is displaying the complete information about the cal in your system. If you want to exit from this help, so I can use Q from the keyboard. So you can quit from the help. You can quit from the help. So I am using clearing the screen. So if you want to create a directory, so in the Linux, mkdir is a command to create a directory. So I am checking ls. At present here I want to create a Hyderabad HYD directory. The HYD directory is not available here. I want to create mkdir HYD. So it will create a directory with the name of HYD ls. So HYD is a directory. So here the files showing in the different colors, basically the blue color is a directory, so white color is a general file, and green color is a executable file. These are the basic colors they given. And if I want to enter into the HYD directory, cd HYD change directory. So now I entered into the HYD directory, change directory. So if I click ls, so there is no files in the HYD directory. If you see the pwd, so it will show the complete path of the HYD directory. There is HYD directory available. So root directory slash, and root directory is the slash, just like C directory in your Windows operating system, and home directory is common for all users, and username every user have. So one directory will be available with the username by default, and the HYD directory is available in users directory. What I am creating and everything I can create in my users directory only, users home directory only. So if I want to create one file here, so nano test.txt I want to create. So simply I am typing hi, hello, this is simple Linux commands. So I want to save it, control, hold the control button and click on save. So write 5 lines, control X, so quit. So now click on ls. The files are, one file is available in this directory. So if I want to copy this file to pictures directory, so I can copy from this. Already we know cp is the command, So actually you are aware about HYD directory in the home directory, means you can use tilde slash HYD and the file name is test.txt, and I want to copy to tilde, means nothing but home directory, and I want to copy to pictures. So like this you can give the complete path. So you can copy like this. Now if you want to go to cd tilde symbol slash pictures, if you want to directly jump into the pictures directory by using like this, cd pictures ls, it contains the test.txt, it is copied. So you can see the information in this test.txt, the same hi, hello, this is simple Linux commands. So these are the basic commands for these files and other thing. And cd I want to shift it to home directory to HYD, so I can easily enter this ls. Here the test.txt file is there. So if I want to remove this file, so rm is a command, so I can use test.txt, enter, so it is removed. If you want to check, the file is deleted. So rm is a command, remove a file. So if I want to create something empty files, so touch is the command, it is used to create an empty files, nothing will be there. Touch t1, touch is a command, I want to create txt, so ls, touch will create an empty files. Actually if you open these files, it will contains nothing, it is empty files only. So touch is a command, it is used to create an empty files. So now ls, it contains 2 files. Okay, I want to delete this directory HYD, I am coming back to home directory, so then ls. So here the HYD directory is there, because up to now I inside the HYD directory, so that's why I can't delete a directory from inside, that's why coming back to HYD root directory. Now I can remove this rm, dir and HYD. Actually the HYD directory contains 2 empty files, but 2 files is there, so fail to remove because the HYD directory is not empty. But we have one option is there, if you want to remove HYD directory by using rm command and -r is nothing but recursive, so I can use HYD. So I want to remove, it is removed right now. So r is nothing but recursive, first it deletes all the files in the HYD directory, then it can remove the HYD directory also. So now HYD directory is not available, rm -r, so -r is nothing but it is used to delete non-empty directories also. So if I want to mkdir, I am creating wij. So it is a directory ls. If I want to create wij directory, so actually wij is empty. So if I want to see the files ls wij, it is also possible. Directly I can give the directory name. I can check the files available or not in the existing directory. No files are available. So if I want to remove this mkdir wij, so mkdir clear. So I want to remove directory rm dir wij. So it is removed. So nothing but the rm dir can remove only empty directories, but rm -r can delete files with it contents also. The recursive remove including directory rm-r. It is the most useful command if you want to delete a directory with its files. So these are the basic commands.